Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
Today, we are diving into the exciting world of YouTube, and I am going to show you exactly how to create your very own YouTube channel from scratch.
If you haven't watched the previous video where we have explained our business plan, watch it by clicking the I button above. So, whether you are a budding content creator or just want to share your passion with the world, this step-by-step guide will help you get started. So let's jump right in. The very first thing you will need is a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, don't worry. It's super easy to create one. Just head over to www.google.com account and click on the create account button. Follow the instructions and you will have your Google account in no time. Once you have signed into your Google account, go to YouTube. This is where all the magic happens. Click on the profile icon in the top right corner and then click on your channel. Now it's time to give your channel a name and some basic information. This is what people will see when they visit your channel. So make it engaging and relevant to your content. You can also add a profile picture and channel art to make your channel visually appealing. Here are some name suggestions. Remember, your name must be short, unique, and easy to pronounce. Now, for making your channel thumbnails and YouTube banner, I would recommend Canva. Just type canva.com, click the first link, and there you have it. Now sign in with your Gmail account or sign up if you already have an account. Select the category that suits you best. This is the dashboard of Canva. You can click on create a design or choose any canvas to start. If I type YouTube banner, you can see there are many free and premium options available. As we don't have any subscription, so I will go with a free template. Using Canva is very simple and easy. See, from this side you have design, elements, text and much more. You can easily make changes to your design. After completing your design, don't forget to download it from here. Now you are almost ready to start creating content. But first, let's customize your channel a bit more. So for that, click on the customize button. YouTube Studio will be open. You can add a channel description, links to your social media, and even organize your videos into playlists. This helps viewers understand what your channel is all about and makes it easier for them to navigate. Now it's time to create your very first video. This is where your creativity shines. Whether it's a vlog, a tutorial, a gaming session, or something completely unique, make sure it reflects your passion and connects with your intended audience. Once your video is ready, click on the camera icon with the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. Select your video file, give it a catchy title, write a detailed description, and add relevant tags. This will help your video reach the right audience. In the upcoming videos, we also cover the YouTube description and also how to add tags in your YouTube video, so stay tuned. After you have uploaded your video, review everything one last time and then click that magical publish button. And here, congratulations, your video is now live on your channel. Don't forget to share it on your social media platforms and engage with your viewers through comments and likes. So there you have it, a brand new YouTube channel, ready to share your creativity and connect with viewers around the world. Remember, consistency is key, so keep uploading awesome content, engage with your audience, and most importantly, have fun along the way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more content.
Until next time, stay awesome.